Hi again. This tip has to do with Canva animation, which is one of my favorite features of Canva and one that I use all the time. And it's one of the main reasons why I love Canva so much. Just before I start, I want to show you that right now I have my pages displayed. But if I want to increase my workspace and kind of hide those, especially if you are a Google Slides user and you're used to your pages or your slides pane being on your left, you can actually click this little caret here to hide your pages. And if you want to display them again, you can show them by clicking that caret up. And again, don't forget you can resize your zoom by zooming in or out here. So animations, you can select your entire slide to animate. So right now, this purple box around my entire slide means that when I select my animation key here, I will be adding animation for my whole slide. So the cool thing is you can actually just hover your mouse over any of the animations to see how that looks. So there are a bunch of different combos, so that will kind of make your background come in at a certain way, and then all of your images come in at a certain time. And this will be when you actually put your slide in presentation mode. So there are just a few that I'm demonstrating right now. Um, there's pop, there's breathe. That's kind of cool. Scrapbook. Um, you can choose the photo flow, photo rise, photo zoom. So it will kind of zoom in and out. And just it's personal choice, however aesthetically you want your slide to look. But those are just the whole slide animations. Now, you can actually animate each of the photos or images on your slide and text boxes as well individually. So if I wanted to animate this bee, I would select the bee and then I would actually just hover over and choose the animation that I wanted for that particular image. Now, new feature alert, super awesome and fun. And I love, love, love using this. Create an animation. So what I can do is I can actually drag the elements, so text boxes, images around the canvas to create my own animation. So this is going to be very cool to use because I'm going to have my bee pollinate my flower. So I'm going to start my bee up here and I'm going to go to create an animation here. And it's telling me that I can select and drag an element around the canvas. Oh, there's a bee to create my animation. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to have my bee kind of fly around here and then fly into my flower and pause a minute and then kind of fly off. And there is my animation. So let's do, oh, and then you can actually add movement style. So this is the original. And then if you want to smooth it out and you choose smooth, you can kind of see the difference. And then there's also steady. There's also motion effects that you can add as your bee moves. You want it to flicker as it moves, or pulse, or even wiggle. You can add those as well. So I'm going to now select this bee and create an animation for this bee. So this bee is going to go here and here, and then here a little slower. And then we'll see what this looks like. And I think I want to make him smooth. And there we go. So when I go to actually present this, I'll show you what this looks like. I'll present full screen and present. So with my top 3 tips, I've taken a blank Canva canvas. I've made a pollination infographic where I have layered different items such as photos, images, text boxes. I've also duplicated images with Control D and then animated them to create a little bit of movement and interest within my slide.